All right, all right. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We are back. We are back. Yes, yes, yes. I did say let's get into this latest. It's been a couple hours now, but I just find it very, very interesting that the research paper declares Bitcoin compliant with Sharia law, and we all know that the United Arabs, you know, they are crypto embracers. There are a couple of countries in regards to being Muslim are involved and embrace crypto. So let's get into this quick article and let's see where we can go on from here. So Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are intriguing because they are very different from the traditional financial system we use today. One particular subject people have pondered is whether or not Bitcoin complies with the religious laws that forms a part of Islamic tradition. Now, what do you guys think? I mean, is religion trying to play a big part with crypto because they know what the future holds? We all know that religion, of course, religion is dinero, money, right? And I mean, again, that's another video. Well, otherwise known as Sharia law, this week a microfinance firm based in Indonesia, Blossom Finance, published a 22-page working paper that concludes that Bitcoin qualifies as Islamic money, except where it is banned by a local government. Is Bitcoin halal or haram? Well, over the past few years, since the creation of Bitcoin, many people have wondered if cryptocurrencies are compatible with Sharia compliant finance. Islamic banking has a lot more rules that apply to profit sharing. Yeah, exactly. Well, again, it's like, do they want us to all be rich, right? The people. Regardless of what country you're in, all governments run the same. They all fly within the same eagle, if you guys know what I mean. So, rules that apply to profit sharing, loss bearing, leasing, safekeeping, and more. For instance, Sharia law specifically prohibits usury, which is called riba, or collecting interest paid on loans. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies have come into question over the years concerning whether or not they comply with Islamic banking. Just recently, this past December, a Muslim cleric declared that owning Bitcoin was compatible with Islamic finance. However, other clerics have disagreed with his opinion, and Egypt's top Islamic cleric had issued a fatwa, religious edict, against Bitcoin. I guess it's like a sanction, a halt, or not considered a currency, right? Hope you do apologize, guys. I'm having some like chicken noodle soup. This is so good. Well, anyway, let's continue. Blossom publishes a 22-page study on Bitcoin and Islamic finance. I think this topic is very important, guys. This is why I wanted to bring it to my new and my old and new subscribers and fellow YouTubers. If you happen to land on this channel, make sure that you do subscribe. Always coming up with new ICOs and new ways for you guys to create passive income. Okay, so wow, this chicken noodle soup is so good, guys. Please excuse me. Wow. Anyway, there's no editing here, guys. Okay, this is raw deal, truth, updates, yada yada, whatever you want to call it. It's spreading the wealth. That's what we call it. Call it spreading the wealth. I may call this like spreading the wealth series. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know in the comments down below. And let me know if you guys like chicken noodle soup, because I love chicken noodle soup, dude. I know it sounds a little disgusting, but we all gotta eat, right? So if you're feeding, it shouldn't be disgusting. Anyway, let's finish up here. So we have Martin and Blossom's internal Shariah advisor and Shariah compliance officer, Mufti Muhammad Abdul Baker, published a study that concludes Bitcoin does qualify as Islamic money, unless a local government forbids the use of digital currencies. The research explains an in-depth analysis of the various legal opinions on the subject of Islamic banking and Bitcoin. Martin explains that even though cryptocurrency interest continues to grow, there is a lot of confusion among Muslims, who make up close to a quarter of the world's population. Pay attention to that, guys. Close to a quarter of the world's population. Many individuals have asked Martin if Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies comply with the set of rules followed by Muslims in accordance with the guidelines of the Quran. Again, I don't know. Well, does religion play a part in cryptocurrency? Does it belong in cryptocurrency? I think it's a big mistake. And I'm a universal soul. I don't believe in religion, So, but we're not here to get into my personal opinions. But on an opinion on this topic, I would dare say, really, religion, crypto, Quran, Bible, is crypto in the Bible? I don't know, but again, I can't go and follow that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So, contrary to popular myth, Sharia law is not a single set of rules. It is a scholarly field subject to differing interpretations and opinions on various matters. Explains the CEO of Blossom Finance. Several recent fatwa issued by prominent Muslim scholars offered incomplete and contradictory opinions on the topic. With all the confusion out there, we wanted to offer clear guidance supported by solid research that benefits both lay people and practitioners of Islamic finance. I've had so many people ask me, is Bitcoin halal or haram? And the honest answer is, it depends. It depends. Bitcoin is not just a currency, but it is also a transaction and payment network, and blockchain itself is a whole category of technology and wide-ranging applications. So that's coming from, I guess, Matthew J., the founder of the startup Blossom Finance. So I wanted to share this with you guys because I think that this is very important, and I think that religion, crypto, just like the politics and government, they're gonna dive in. They're gonna give in. Like Bank of America, all of the big dogs. Whatever happened today, there's a lot of skepticism. There's a lot of speculative thoughts on the topic of why Bitcoin, did $1,000 within 30 minutes, or within an hour, right? So I think that's great news, right, as an investor. But uh, being understanding, but understanding the fact that everything is correlated to Bitcoin. I mean, honestly, if you really think about it. But I wanted to share this quick article with you guys. I don't want to bore you guys and continue reading on. You guys can continue reading on. I'll leave you guys with the link down in the description. Bitcoin with the Shariah principles of money, but ICOs are uncertain and not advised. This is a great little update on that topic. They say that many such offerings likely fall afoul of having graha, meaning excessive uncertainty, and therefore do not qualify as permissible Islamic investments. Maybe, maybe they just being a little too harsh. What do you guys think? Maybe they're being a little too harsh. I don't know. But just wanted to finish off where I left off from the previous video, guys. I'll leave you guys down in the description with some the ICOs that I'm currently doing. You guys do your own research. Go straight to the website of the particular ICOs that I do share with you here in the description. If you're interested, dive in. That's hey, like I say, make crypto, make you more crypto. Let me say that again. Make crypto, make you more crypto. Okay, so crypto doesn't move without the people. Remember that. So with that being said, Cryptotee is out the building. I'll see you guys on the next video. Anything you guys may want to add to this topic, the research paper declares Bitcoin compliant with Sharia law. Drop it down in the comments below. I would love to see what it is you guys have to say. And make sure that, we all get connected, okay? So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!